Hello and welcome to Tropical. Today we'll be taking a look around Ban Chang, a beautiful 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom private pool villa currently available for rent to make anyone's holiday a perfect getaway. The villa is in an idyllic location in a beautifully peaceful area of Rawai at the southernmost point of Phuket, just minutes away from everything you could possibly need, including the world famous Naiharn Beach, many bars, restaurants, massage parlors, gyms, and more. However, the property still manages to feel like a peaceful hidden gem where you can relax, unwind, and beat the heat in your private swimming pool while being surrounded by Thailand's luscious nature. So sit back, relax, and join us on this tour of Ban Chang. And at the end of the video, let us know in the comments what your favorite part of the property is. Ours is the amazing outdoor terrace and pool area, which you'll see at the end of the video. So as you can see here outside the property, it is situated on a perfectly quiet road that gets little to no cars or bikes driving up here, making the home quiet and peaceful at all times. The front of the house here has a large driveway with enough space to park a car and some motorbikes, and it's sheltered too, so you don't have to worry about the sun. The villa comes with everything you'll need to make your stay as comfortable and easy as possible, including this washing machine and plenty of drinking water. And there's a small spare toilet here at the front of the property if both of the ensuite bathrooms are otherwise occupied. As you enter the villa, the first thing you'll notice is the long open-plan kitchen, dining and living area that stretches out onto the backyard where your beautiful terrace and swimming pool are. We'll head out there soon, so stick around for that. First, let's take a look at the amazing, fully equipped Western-style kitchen with an island, ready for you to start cooking and indulging in your meals in the indoor or second outdoor dining table. You'll notice the kitchen comes with everything you'll need, including a stove, microwave, coffee pot, and anything else you could possibly need. And here you have the living room with a comfortable sofa, a TV, and those glass sliding doors that give you a view of your beautiful sunlit terrace and pool that we'll be seeing very shortly. Now let's step into the first of 2 bedrooms, both of which are large and have ensuite bathrooms, by the way. This bedroom has a double bed and a view of the greenery in the front garden. And here's the master bedroom, a well-lit large room with a king-size bed, an ensuite bathroom, and glass sliding doors leading straight into the backyard, allowing you to wake up to a view of your stunning pool and surrounding palm trees. And here it is, the highlight of the property in our opinion, the absolutely gorgeous, large backyard with a stunning private pool, huge sheltered terrace with an outdoor dining area and plenty of seating space to relax in the shade or enjoy a tanning session on your poolside sun lounges. So that'll just about do it for this tour of Ban Chang, a beautiful villa that will make your stay in Thailand unforgettable. If you're interested in booking the property, I'll have a link in the description below the video where you can go ahead and do that. And at the time I'm making this video, this property isn't currently for sale. However, the time you're watching this, it very well could be. If you'd like to make an inquiry, contact GT Property Consultants. Their info is on your screen right now and will be listed in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a like, share it on Facebook or any other social media, and subscribe to Tropical for more amazing villa and condo tours, and we will see you in the next one. Hey there, thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. If you're looking for a property in Rawai, Phuket, you might want to check out one of these two videos here. And if you'd like a more personal touch, be sure to contact GT Property using the info below the video and tell them Tropical sent you from YouTube.